Well, guys, I will continue to talk about MQL Binance programming. The topic is Binance account mode. This screenshot is from Binance app. We can see there are two different account modes in Binance. The first is classic mode, and the second one is portfolio margin mode. The big difference is the portfolio margin mode can share margins among cross margin, USD margin future, core margin future, and options. But classic mode cannot share the margin. Also, these two modes use different Binance official APIs, and that's why we have to use different Binance MQL functions for these two different modes. Let's have a look. We can see if your account is portfolio margin mode, you have to use all these MQL functions to trade. These functions are all star. These functions name are all star PM. PM representative portfolio margin. If your account is classic mode, you cannot use this MQL function to trade. As we mentioned before, we have to configure our Binance API key into our Metatrader before trading. And the configuration are different in different account modes. And this is the configuration for classic mode. You can see the API keys are configured to real API key and real API secret key. And for the portfolio margin, the API keys are configured to portfolio margin API key and portfolio margin secret key.